I want to share with you a very delicious salsa. You know something, this video, you already have it on my channel, but I made a very simple error. I called the chile chipotle habanero, and that's a big issue. And I've been receiving a lot of comments saying, is it habanero, is it chipotle? Well, it's chipotle, but you know something, I said, let me go ahead and make it all over again for you guys. So to make it nice and clear and that you could really enjoy this delicious King Taco my style salsa. So let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients. My ingredients: black pepper, diced garlic, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, salt, 3 cloves, 1/4 of the purple onion, cayenne pepper, chipotle sauce, 3 chipotles, chile de arbol, 2 lemons or 2 limes, 1 tomato, water. This is everything we need to make that delicious King Taco salsa at home. Of course, my style. Once you make it, you're going to continue making it, and this salsa is going to be the #1 salsa in your home. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making my salsa. I'm going to add on my pan some water, and then I'm going to add my chile de arbol. I'm going to add all my dried chile de arbol, and to this I'm going to add my tomato. And the tomato, I'm going to go ahead and cut it in 4 pieces, and I am going to add it in here. The reason that I'm making this delicious King Taco salsa, it's because last time I made it, I said the wrong word of the chili. The chili is chile chipotle. And we're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until you start smelling the delicious chile de arbol. Just like this. It was cooking for about 10 minutes, and now I am ready to start adding it to my blender. I'm gonna add all the tomatoes and all the chilies, including the liquid. I'm gonna add everything in here, and to this I'm gonna start adding, of course, the chile chipotles. I'm going to add the cayenne pepper, the adobo chili chipotle. I'm going to continue adding the onion, the diced garlic, my garlic powder, my chicken bouillon, my salt and my 3 cloves, and my black pepper. I am going to go ahead and blend everything for about 10 minutes so everything is really nice and incorporated. So let's go ahead and blend it. After the 10 minutes, well, this salsa is almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to a larger plate. I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer all this delicious salsa. Believe me, once you try, you are really going to love this King Taco Red Salsa. And here I have my 2 lemons, and I'm gonna go ahead and get all the juice of the 2 lemons. They are organic because they are from my trees. You know that I love having citrus trees here at home, and of course these lemons have no seeds, but yet they are full of juice. And that's exactly what we want to add to this delicious salsa.
after you get all the delicious juice out of the lemons, well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the salsa. But first, I wanna put it through a sifter so I don't add any of the pulp. And here, I'm just gonna mix it away. And this is the time when I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. This is just amazing. This salsa is just amazing. And of course, I am making corn tortillas, and you already have that recipe on my channel. You know something? I want to enjoy this delicious salsa with homemade corn tortillas, and of course that I'm going to add some cheese right in the center of these tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and make a quesadilla out of these delicious, of course, homemade corn tortillas. And be generous with your cheese. I am adding Monterey Jack cheese, and of course I am going to go ahead and add my King Taco Red Salsa. Look at this. This just looks amazing. I'm ready to make my delicious quesadillas, and these are completely done. I want to show you how they look from the inside. They are just amazing. Well, now I am ready for the presentation because I can't wait to taste it. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious King Taco Red Salsa. I know that once you make it at home, you are going to enjoy it, and it's going to be your number one salsa. I'm going to enjoy them with these quesadillas, homemade tortillas. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. These quesadillas came out amazing. And of course, with this delicious King Taco salsa, number one. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these homemade quesadillas, especially with this red and delicious salsa. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.